Hello guys, I'm Michael123422, and I'm making this video for this channel about the algorithms that I use for CFOP or Frederick. CFOP and Frederick are the same method. It just depends on who you're talking to and stuff like that. Frederick is the same as CFOP, with, like I said earlier, CFOP is where do cross, then F12, then OLL, and then PLL. That's what the CFOP stands for. The C in CFOP stands for cross, F stands for F12, OLL, O stands for OLL, and P stands for PLL. Now, I don't know full Frederick method, nor full OLO, full PLO, full F12 and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be showing you all the algorithms that I do know, which basically is really not much. For PLL, I know most of the PLL is that for the R, N, and G term. And there's maybe a few more, I'm not sure. And then for OLL, I know mostly 2-look OLL plus some others. And yeah, and then F12, I know about 5 or 6, no, like 3 or 4 cases. So let me go and get solve the cross first, and then I'll go over F12, my F12. Okay, so F12, I know the basic F12. Yeah, like cases like this where I need to put this blue-orange edge, blue-red edge down here. So, in this case, I don't really remember the algorithms themselves because I've done it by muscle memory, and when remembering the algorithm notation is tricky, but I know how to do it. So, yeah, alright. So, yeah, after doing this, it's Y, U prime, F, U, F prime, U, R, U prime, R prime. Yeah. Next case that I know of is this similar case, but in this case, you need to put it in through the left side instead of the right side of the case, which is similar, where you do U, R prime, do U, R, U prime, R prime, U, F, U prime, or F. And then this next case that I know of, which is this sort of case where I have the edge in correct place, corner, then needs to go over that has the bottom color on top. I do this sexy move, which is R prime, U prime, 3 times, so that's 1, that's 2, and then that's 3. And there are a few others that I know of, which is like this case, where this edge, this corner's down here, and this corner, this edge is like that, yeah. And then a few other basic ones, but not much. Now, over to OLL. Now, I know 7 plus a few other algorithms, which is the main 7 of the 2-look PLL, which are mainly the corner ones where you only need to rotate these corners with the edges already rotating and stuff like that. So 2-look, I mainly do it where if I have a case that I don't know, that's not like this one, I do put in the cross first, then 2-allow. Alright, this first case is the soon algorithm, which, well, it's actually the anti-soon, which is the basic easier one, which is or u to or prime u or that's u prime or u prime or prime. This next one is this soon algorithm, regular soon, where when you look at it, you have it like this. But before, you had it where, like, if you look at it this way, for the anti-soon, the top color is to the right. Now it's on the front for the soon. Instead of having it, holding it like this, hold it like this. And then do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The next one is this case, which is the headlights case, where you have, if you look at it from the front side, you see these two corners have, or the colors that need to be on top or in front, and then same as for the back. What I do is F, sexy prime 3 times, sexy move 3 times, and then F prime. So R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Alright, this next one is similar to the previous one, but in this case, you got it looking like this, where it has this sort of configuration, and I'm not going to really say it out loud that much, but I'll provide a text format on the screen that you can see what it is. So, yeah, for that, if I were to say it out loud, I would mess up because it's muscle memory again. And it's one of those algorithms that I've learned enough and learned and done so much time. It's just muscle memory, and I don't really remember the true notation, what the letter notation is anymore. A few more, and then I'll go to PLL. This next case is this case, where if you look at it on top, it almost looks like this, a figure 8 or something like that, bow tie or something like that, in the corner, looking like this. And what I do is, this move is this, what first few, the notation for this is a little bit different from the regular one. I do F, small f. What that is taking this side and then this middle layer, moving it together. F, small f, R, U prime, R prime, U, small f prime, L prime, U, L. Alright, so this case is similar to the last case. Let me just, I don't want to say it out loud because that will mess it up, but I'll have the annotation, like some text format of the algorithm. Yeah. Next one is this one. Similar to the last one, but the corners are rotated a little bit differently. Either R2, D, R prime, U, or D prime, R prime, U prime, and then back down to the R. I don't know what really that happened, but it didn't really do anything to solve that. Let me do it once more. There we go. Okay. So that should be about it for those 7 cases for the corners. When corners only need to be rotated. Now on to the few other ones that don't have corner rotation one that I know of.